Hello students. Now in this session we'll be looking at panchgavya. Okay. Now panchgavya is a natural manure or a natural fertilizer that the farmers can make very easily. Okay. Right. Now in panchgavya, okay, it is a natural manure which I have written here. Okay. It is a natural manure. Okay. Then you have the ingredients for panchgavya. Okay. Now panchgavya ingredients are milk, curd, ghee, dung of the cow, urine of the cow, and one more which is banana paste. Okay. Now these are the major ingredients which are making up the panchgavya in major quantities. Okay, right? So I'll repeat it once again. Panchgavya is a natural manure. The ingredients of panchgavya are milk, curd, ghee, dung of the cow, urine of the cow, and banana paste. Okay. Now there are some minor inclusions which we'll see in this part. Okay. Now the procedure for the preparation of panchgavya is given here. Okay. I'll just go through that. Now cow dung plus ghee. Okay. So in the first step, what you do is you add cow dung and mix it with ghee. Okay. Right. So you mix them properly and let them settle for 4 days. So settling time is very important in the making of panchgavya. Okay. Right. Now cow dung and ghee are mixed and they are allowed to settle for 4 days. Okay. Then the other things will start adding into it. Now the next one is on the 5th day. Okay. On the 5th day, you will add urine, that is cow's urine. Then you will add milk and then curd. Okay. Now these are the major things which are taken care of. Okay. Right. Then after that, what you will do is you will also add some minor things which are required. That is, one is toddy. Okay. Toddy. Then you know coconut water. Then sugarcane juice and also the banana paste which is there. Okay. So that also will be added. Okay. Now after you add all these, you let it settle for 10 days. Okay. You let it settle for another 10 days. Okay. Now when you are allowing it to settle, you will just not leave like that. Every day, morning and evening, you will be stirring that particular mixture. Okay, right? You will be stirring the particular mixture. Now, the purpose of adding all these ingredients in panchgavya is, first thing is they are natural. Okay, right? Second thing is they contain all the micro and macronutrients which are required for the plant for its growth. Okay, and the third thing is it is eco-friendly. Okay, it doesn't damage the environment in any manner. Okay, so what you do, you settle that for 10 days. Okay, and during that period of 10 days, morning and evening, you will be mixing it with, you will be mixing in the sense you will be stirring it properly. Okay, every day, morning and evening for 10 days. Now, after the 10th day, your panchgavya is ready. That means 14 days after you started making it, your panchgavya is ready. Now, what you do is you can start spraying it on the field. Okay, you can start spraying it on the field. Now, the most important thing here is only 3% of panchgavya is sufficient to give high yield. Okay, 3% of panchgavya. Okay, 3% of panchgavya is sufficient to give you high yield. So I'll just mark it a little more better. Okay. Now 3% of panchgavya, whatever is there, is sufficient to give you high yield in the crop. So this is very important. Okay, 3% of it is very efficient. Okay, right, in giving you higher yield. Okay, right. Now, this can be used as a natural manure for the cattle, for the plants. Okay, right? So I hope that you have understood. We'll just have a small revision recap of this. Now, panchgavya is a natural manure. Okay, now it has the ingredients which are present in the panchgavya are milk, curd, ghee, dung of the cow, urine of the cow, and banana paste. Then, when it comes to the procedure of making panchgavya, you have cow dung and ghee. You are mixing them properly. Okay, I'll write it here once again, mix. Okay, cow dung and plus ghee, you are mixing them properly, and then you are allowing them to settle for 4 days. Now, after the 4th day, that is on the 5th day, you will start adding urine, milk, and curd. Okay, right? Now, at this stage itself, you can add banana paste, or at the later stage, that is, you can also add certain small nutrients like toddy, coconut water, sugar cane, and here also you can add banana paste. And you will allow it to settle for 10 days. Okay, now after you allow it to settle for 10 days, okay, you will be stirring that mixture every day in the morning and the evening during this period of 10 days. And then your panchgavya is ready. Panchgavya is ready for use, and only 3% of it can be taken, and then it can be sprayed on the field to give higher yield. Okay, so this is how panchgavya is made and how it is important. Okay, so I hope you have understood this session. Thank you so much.